Hi guys, Steph here. Yes, another stunning pen. What a beauty. As with my previous video, what we've got for you here is a stunning Swan leverless fountain pen. This one I believe to be the 4660. Now when I say that, I'm not 100% sure. The reason being is that with this pen, if we show you the barrel imprint there, okay, you can see it's got Swan leverless fountain pen, it's got a patent number, it's got the Swan logo, made in England. Okay, so a lovely clear barrel imprint. And then normally with these pens they have the model number to the bottom of the barrel. In this particular case it doesn't have one. Now although I'm saying this is the 4660, this one I don't know how clear it is because it may actually look black in the video, but it's actually a green pen. Now the 460 I believe is the same model but in black, so the model number to this one may be slightly different because it is actually a green pen. But if anybody knows the answer, leave a comment and yeah, it'll help us all hopefully. As we said, it's a leverless. You can see to the bottom there it's got this knurled knob to the very bottom there, and one of the things that you'll notice is the shape of the pen. It's what we term as this torpedo shape. Okay, now this, as with my previous video, was actually one of the largest pens within the Swan range of that particular period. Now when I say period on this pen, I'm dating this one slightly later 1940s. So this may be the, if you like, the up-to-date version of the pen that I showed you on my previous video. If you haven't looked at that, go and have a look at that particular one. Okay, now as we said, it's a Swan leverless. It's this torpedo shape. It's from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, a lovely 137mm capped. Around the barrel diameter it's a lovely chunky 13mm in diameter. So as you can see, a lovely large fountain pen. If we go to the cap, you can see it's got this broader band in the middle with two narrow bands to each side. You can see the clip there is a very sort of recognizable Swan ball clip. There's a sideways view for you with the Swan logo to the very top of the clip. And as you can see to the top there, this sort of rounded, as we said, this torpedo shaped fountain pen. All in all, a stunning, handsome fountain pen. It came to me a little bit tired, fully restored it. We've put a nice large neck sack in the pen. Okay, so it should be in full working order, fully restored and looking for a new home. Let's take the cap off, which screws on and screws off. Let's give you some of the customary twirls. As you can see, I know I'm repeating myself, but it is an absolutely gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. There's a section for you, very recognisable Swan section. It's got the Swan name on this particular one on the section there. And as with my previous video, look at that, yet another large Swan number 6 nib, again from Mabie Todd, again made in England. There's a sideways view. If we take you underneath there, you can see the section, very recognisable section there. It's got the Swan name on the section, sorry, not on the section, on the feed. Okay, so absolutely stunning pen. And if you want to see this sort of the size comparison with these nibs, go and look at my previous video and you can see the sort of a size comparison there. But either way, go and have a look at my previous video, because that is also a large Swan fountain pen. Now let's bring on our ink. Let's dip the nib in the ink, turn the knob. Again, I'm sure you could hear that bubbling noise, which is precisely what we want to hear. Let's bring on some paper and let's see how this beauty writes. There we go. We needed a bit of a start there, so we've got a Swan Mabie Todd number, although I say again 4660, because it's green, I think one of these digits may have actually, it may actually be a 46, maybe a 40, because I know each different colour had a different number, so again that's questionable, and if you know, please let us know. It's writing absolutely lovely, with a lovely ink flow. Does it have any flex? Well, just from that there, I'd say the answer is yes, it does. So let's do some figure of eights. Pressure on the downward stroke. Oh, little bit of a skip there, but no problem. And there we have it. Absolutely gorgeous. Writing very nicely, I would say with a medium line, and as you can see, from medium to a broad line, but writing absolutely lovely. Okay, so a lovely writer, as you'd expect from these nibs. And there we have it, a lovely Swan 4660, possibly, maybe not because it's in a green colour, but a beautiful, handsome and a large fountain pen, as we told you, by the size, 13mm in diameter. It's a lovely chunky fountain pen and a lovely handsome fountain pen, so somebody will enjoy this pen for many years to come, and I'm sure, well, they'll be more than proud of having this on their desk. It's a beauty. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen. Yes, as always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you people, don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up, a lot of you forget that. And if you've not subscribed, why not subscribe now? And if you can, down below, please support my work. And last but not least, yes, we've got that big problem out there, so all you people, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say Bye bye for now.